let's take a look and see how we deploy the premium Bimini on your Cobalt. It's encapsulated inside your Bimini boot right now. First, we want to take that boot off. So you have a nice zipper. Just go ahead and unzip the boot. Just be careful when you're pulling it off to go around your anchor light. It does have a nice hole cut out for that. Then you want to unravel the fabric just a little bit. And then you're going to push on the forward support poles, pushing the frame forward like so. Grab your support pole from your center ski locker. You're then going to put the round end into the socket right here. Screw that into place, and then take your round end and go into the receptacle that's right here on the side of the boat. You probably will need to pull the Bimini forward just a little bit, and it should lock into place like so. These rods are threaded, so you can actually tighten them to tighten the fabric down. Then you want to go ahead and put your Velcro pieces on the support poles to make sure it's nice and in place. It's the reverse process for putting it away. So the first thing we want to do is loosen the support pole up. Then we're going to want to release it from the boat. Again, you have this little square release right here. You're going to want to pull forward on the Bimini frame to release that tension, and then you'll be able to take that out. Unscrew this, push the Bimini frame backwards, put the Bimini boot over your anchor light, wrap up the rest of the canvas, and then zip it closed.